Hey everyone! So I want to come to you really quick to show you an idea. You know the plastic the acetate that comes on the Webster's pages, traveler's notebooks and binders when you get them. If you don't want to throw away the acetate and you want to use it as like a quick dashboard, you can cut it down to size and you can stick it in here as your quick little dashboard. It's super cute. It has a film that you need to peel off, a plastic that comes, you just peel it off, and it's clear acetate. And it has hello on one side and then Webster's pages, established in 1986 on the others. Welcome to Webster's pages. And just stick it right in between the rubber bands. The little hole that's here would sit right where this little knob is, so it wouldn't move anymore, move anywhere, shift anywhere. And this is how it would look on the inside. And so you have like a little acetate dashboard. You could put like stickers on there and everything. So I just want to give you a quick idea on how to use the acetate if you choose to save it and not throw it away. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.